It's not an ego thing. Trust me, it's definitely not an ego thing. It's more of a commitment.
He did not get to compete last night because his gas and brake foot is in a cast. He's going to try it tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, in the Samson truck, Mr. Dan Patrick. This race right here might be a semi-final, ladies and gentlemen, but it's just as good as Dan Patrick and Samson!
And one.
I'll tell you what, that man right there, driving under conditions that he's driving under with his foot. Ladies and gentlemen, let him hear you, Dan Patrick and Samson.
He's good.
For an old man with bad foot, huh?
You gotta take the lead out of that foot.
I'll ask you a quick question.
So, how do you feel about your overall performance
The weekend?
Considering.
Fair, considering. I'm not going away ashamed by any means.